Hey guys, it's your girl Jessica. Welcome back. As you can tell by the background, today is going to be another cooking video. For all of my OG subscribers, welcome back. For all of my newbies, welcome to the family. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button down below, as well as that notification bell button to know the next time that I upload a new video. Now, we all have our Thanksgiving side dishes that we love. Quick, easy, the ones that take all day. One of my quick and easy ones is roasted garlic mashed potatoes. And I literally got invited to like a last minute Friendsgiving thing. And at first I was like, oh, I'm not gonna go. But then I was like, you know what? Let me go. It could be some good networking opportunities because it's from a past client. So like, hey, I sold you this house. Maybe some other people might want to buy a house. Manifest queen, manifest the life you want. Networking, you know how it goes. So I was like, you know what, let me go do this quick dish. Roasted garlic mashed potatoes. It's not my favorite Thanksgiving side dish. Obviously mac and cheese is, but this one definitely comes in third after mac and cheese and then dressing. Roasted garlic mashed potatoes. So here is a quick tutorial. Let's get into it.